Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Noble County, Muskingum County, Coshocton County, Quincy County, southwestern Tuscarawas County until 5 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cooperdale to near New Lexington to near MacArthur, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Coshocton, Cambridge, Newcomerstown, New Concord, Byesville, West Lafayette, Caldwell, Dudley, Baltic, Philo, Warsaw, Senecaville, Cumberland, Conesville, Old Washington, Bell Valley, Stone Creek, Sarasville, and Plainfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
The National Weather
Oh my goodness.
warning for the Scioto River at Circleville from this afternoon.
Anyways, folks, that's kind of obvious. Once again. So, folks, now it'll be going off for it every 15 minutes. Now I got like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, I got like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So far, I got 2 of them. So folks, please subscribe for more videos.